गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम करेंगे इंश्योरेंस। मीनिंग ऑफ द इंश्योरेंस। इंश्योरेंस क्या है? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है वेयर वन पार्टी टेक्स द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ देयर रिस्क ऑफ द अदर पार्टी in the exchange of some fixed fee. As per the contract, the first party which is the takes the responsibility of the risk of the another party promise to pay the fixed amount of the money to the second party either end of the fixed period at the beginning happening of the some event. इंश्योरेंस एक ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है जिसके अंदर एक पार्टी जिम्मेवारी लेती है, दूसरी पार्टी क्या करती है, उसके बदले में फी देती है। इसमें फर्स्ट पार्टी क्या करती है? जिम्मेवारी को पूरा करती है और उसे पे करने के लिए सेकंड पार्टी प्रॉमिस करती है कि कोई भी घटना घटेगी हम आपके साथ हैं। बेसिक टर्मिनोलॉजी में इंश्योरर वन हु डज द इंश्योर हु टेक्स द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ रिस्क। इंश्योर्ड वन हुज इंश्योरेंस इज डन हुज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द रिस्क इज टेकन बाय द इंश्योरर। प्रीमियम द फी चार्ज by the insurer on the account of providing services called the premium. Policy document of the contract of the insurance in which terms and conditions of the insurance are mentioned is now the policy. Sum insured amount of which the insurance policy is taken is now in the sum insured. All the above terms can be explained through the following example. फॉर्म कहता है कि मिस्टर ए उसने अपनी गाड़ी का बीमा करवाया 2.5 लाख का ओरिएंटल बैंक ऑफ कॉमर्स शिमला से। प्रीमियम पे करता है 3,000। आफ्टर सम डेज द कार मेट विद एन एक्सीडेंट। रिपेयर ऑफ द कार विच आर नॉट पेड द अमाउंट 15,000। द अमाउंट विल बी पेड ऑफ द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द ओरिएंटल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बाय मिस्टर ए इज इंश्योर्ड 2.5 लाख। In the sum insured 3,000 the insurance premium and the document containing terms and condition of the insurance policy. डेफिनेशन दी हुई इंश्योरेंस की। विलियम बेवरेज क्या कहते हैं? द कलेक्टिव बेयरिंग ऑफ द रिस्क इज द इंश्योरेंस। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दी हुई इंश्योरेंस की। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कहता है कि टू पार्टीज फॉर एन इंश्योरेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देयर आर ऑलवेज टू पार्टीज वन ऑफ हु इज द डन आर नाउ एज द इंश्योर्ड द other to who does the insure and is now as the insurer. Based on the utmost good faith, insurance is based on the utmost good faith. It means that the insured will be provide each and every information relating to the insurance to the, for instance, if a person take the life policy and is suffering from the TB, he is disclosed respect of the insurance company. In the same manner, the insurance company should also disclose all the terms and conditions related to the insurance policy. In short, this is the principle of the utmost good faith. Based on the cooperative system, insurance based on the cooperative system, there are the insured who can be considered as member of the cooperative. They all the contribute amount of the money and create a big fund. Any member who suffers some loss in the company from this fund, free from the accepted risk, insurance provides security against risk of any kind. Transfer of the accepted loss and explained earlier also, insurance is a contract under which responsibility of the risk is transferred from one party to another. Payment of premium. The insurance company takes the responsibility of the only of the insurance fee is a insured company. This fee is now as the insurance premium. Various type of insurance. Insurance is mainly two types: life insurance और जनरल इंश्योरेंस। जनरल इंश्योरेंस के अंदर आपको क्लासीफाइड किया गया है फायर में और इंश्योरेंस में और एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस में। हैपनिंग ऑफ इवेंट, द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द इंश्योरेंस इज फुलफिल्ड ऑल द टाइम ऑफ द इन हैपनिंग some event. In case of insurance, some property damage of the property will be happening of the event, while in case of the life insurance, death of the insured before a certain date, insured living even if the after a certain date, and the both considered as the happening of the event. Security and investment. Life insurance contain both the elements security and the investment, while the rest of the insurance contract contain only the security of element. Ownership not compulsory. It is not necessary to the ownership is being taken. For example, insurance can be taken of the property taken in the security by the lender from the borrower who has the borrowed some money, and lender can insure the life of his debtors.